In this video, we will work with groups to organize the model inventory in the way you want to see it. Groups organize and display model properties in an expandable, collapsible hierarchy. You can choose to nest multiple properties within a group and save them to a view. Any of the available properties in a model may be used to group the data in the inventory. Let's start by opening the view that we created in the previous tutorial. Click on the COBie Office sample project. Then in the search box, start typing the name Steel. Click on the name to navigate to the view. The Group tool is located directly above the inventory. Click on the drop-down arrow to see a list of the available groupings that you can choose to organize your inventory. Let's start by choosing the grouping Level. Now all the objects that share the common property of Level 1 are grouped together. In this way, you can investigate your model based on groupings of objects that share common properties. To understand what properties are available to you to create groupings, click on an object in the inventory and open the Properties panel. All the properties displayed in the model can be used as groupings. Notice there's a property called Structural Material. Let's organize the inventory by this property so we can understand what materials are in this model. From the Group By drop-down, click on the drop-down arrow and choose Create New Grouping. In the name, I'll identify this as Group By Material. Then I'll search for the property that I found in the Properties panel, Structural Material. I'll use Structural Material as the first level hierarchy. Secondly, I'll organize the inventory by type name and click Create. Now the inventory has been organized by structural material name, followed by type name. Let's save these changes to our view and proceed to the next section focused on columns.